FedEx is here, and I'm waiting to get in my driveway. Alright, looks like my pin pointer came in, so I'm gonna cut her open and we'll see what's in there. And it looks like what it is. There we go. Garrett Propinpointer All-Terrain. That sucker's fully submergible in the water. Some of the features: Lost Pro alarm, 360 scan sight, LED light. Pretty nice. Alright, well, test her out. Stay tuned. So it looks like it comes with a nice owner's manual. Comes with a little belt holster. Good. Let's see if she has a battery in there. Oh, she does. Look at that. Alright. See, it's sensing right there. Look at that. Sensing that button right there. Nice. It's got a way better button on there than the Garrett Propinpointer, the black version. I've got a little deal. You can put a little strap on a bungee cord. One thing I do like about it is it has a little scale thing, 8 inches, whatever, so you can see how deep you are in that hole. That's nice. Turn it off now. Okay, so you got to hold it in on that one. All right.